Wall versus Wall versus maze. Wall versus maze. Maze is growing what? Hey, bro, you wallet it. Dude, don't put it inside. On the outside bottle. Okay, I want to make it another one. They got open. Bro, you wallet it.
Just ask me. Asking.
Wall versus maze.
I just feel dreaming. He's attacking me once. Dreaming. No, that means dreaming is
Nagbabakbak sila ng
Oh, it's fun.
Kasi
The wall and the maze is making a duck behind it.
papapunta na
Growing.
pintura na yan.
The maze is kind of growing, and the wall is kind of growing too. The wall and the maze is kind of growing. They are kind of growing, and the maze is destroying
to make like the
them.
cameraman.
The maze,
What's wrong?
the maze got this stuff.
Magkakita kasi item niya yun.
Titan Clock Man! Wait! Guys, use Boba!
Nakahuli nga lang siya. Si Joy.
First time Clockman, guys! Guys, use Boba! Okay, just buy
The
this.
maze was surrounded well. The maze would die.
Chill!
I don't know. I don't think the maze would die. Surrounded and died. People were surrounded and died.
Nasa yung sako dyan kahapon, darling?
Bagay na, kung natulog ko ng sukang din dito at linggo. I-hammer ko yung mga lalaki.
Dito ko lang wala ba? Ah, sige.
Titan Pumpkin Man. Titan Pumpkin.
Okay sa'yo? Ano sa'yo? Medium lang?
Nakabigla kasi biglang siya. Tagay tayo.
Those tiny pieces were dead. It was big pieces. They're dead. This is the one dead. It was big pieces.
Tapos marami akong alak dyan.
Ala! May natanggal. May natanggal na pangalan pa.
Halika.
Zay.
Ha?
Zay. Pag wala pangalan doon,
Ay, wala yan. Wala price yun, di ba? Wala yan.
Ito yun?
I found it in the floor. I found it in the floor. I found it.
Ano yun?
There's no name. There's only ZY. ZY.
Sukatin ko pa.
Papayat ko sa live.
Yeah, hindi ko sa live. Payat ka na talaga. Simula nung tumigil tayo noon
Hindi,
yun.
simulan mo siya ako.
Saka mag-almusal kayo umaga.
Bago matulog.
Sabi ko,
Di
nag-uumag.
ba naman, bago matulog. Yun daw talaga yung nakakataba eh. Sa akin, shop nga tayo. Todo ko yung kilos kasi ako. Ano sa shop naman, wala talagang pahinga. Kaya pagod na pagod ako eh. Ito natin ito. Couple tayo pa, couple. Kahit pang dahil lang. Couple ba, couple.
Ayun, nalagyan ko yung shirt mo. Maganda pa naman yun.
Ang ganda nito.